All right, this week's free stock pick, greatstockpicks.com. HYC Hypercom. Now this chart doesn't look like much at first glance, but then if you look at this candle here, big volume. I mean, this is a lower volume stock, but just got slapped the other day. Let's go to 15s where you'll be able to see that. You know, the day's just trotting along, and then all of a sudden just off a cliff here, and then kind of bounced near the end of the day, worked its way down, but didn't take out those lows a couple days later, kind of grinding higher, and then this real nice tight base pretty much all day today. So I'm looking to buy HYC if it breaks this base tomorrow, which will be Friday. 976 would be a break of Thursday's high, and then Wednesday's high was 977. So 976 and then 978 is another catalyst that could get this moving higher. So again, on the daily you don't really see much, but when you kind of go inside of it there, look over at the last 5 days, certainly a nice base here. So our catalyst to buy 976 and 978, either one of those two prices, hopefully will give us some nice upside. And our stop, worst case, will go below, you know, like below this base here, 965. So the base gives you a nice tight stop. Now, as always, and we always say this here in these videos, this assumes an open somewhere around where it closed on Thursday. Okay, so Friday the thing opens at 10 or opens at 9. These numbers I've just given you mean nothing. Okay, if it gaps above those trigger prices, 976, 978, those numbers mean nothing. Same thing if it you know, opens at 920 or something and then goes up to 976 or 978. I'm not going to buy it. Okay, we'll have come too far. It'll be extended in the short term. So keep that in mind. This is assuming a fairly flat open compared to Thursday's close. All right, we have about 5 other stocks on watch for our chat room members. And we'll always add some in the morning when we see gappers, and once the market opens and we see some high volume anomalies, we'll add those as well. And then trade on what we see on an intraday basis. Most of our stuff is found on an intraday basis, but we do start each day with 5, 6, 7 picks, something like that, and some trade ideas like we're showing you here in HYC. So as always, we'll follow up this weekend with a video showing you if we traded HYC and how we traded it, kind of an after-the-fact teaching tool. Tricky market lately. You know, there's not a lot of movement. You get some early movement and then a lot of grinding sideways. So we'll really have to be focused, and we're being very selective right now, not calling very much at all. We did call Rambus a couple days ago right in here, and I mean, it ended up moving $1.27. I'll kind of zoom in and show that to you. Ended up moving $1.27 from our entry. We called it Rambus 1351. This is one of the highlights of the week, but there haven't been a lot. I'm not even making highlight videos right now because we're just few and far between. But 1351 somewhere in here. Stop was only 13 cents below, never got stopped out, and went to 1478 at one point, which is what we were looking for. We were looking for kind of a little mini short squeeze because Rambus had gotten killed so bad. So worked perfectly, but again, they're few and far between right now. So if you've been trading at all, you know what I'm talking about. The market's been really slow. Feels like the middle of August already. So anyway, we're real selective. Hopefully we'll have some highlights for you tomorrow night. Until then, or tomorrow night or sometime this weekend, we'll follow up with a video. So until then, have a good night. We'll talk to you later.